If the Miss Universe would become pregnant during her reign, we should be allowed to take the crown as Miss Universe. Miss Botswana, Negra. I believe Miss Universe is a symbol of a woman. She should celebrate her femininity.
So yun yung sabi niya.
William Gambang, it's a very difficult situation to be in if the Miss Universe becomes pregnant during her reign. I think she should continue if she pursued all the quality that she should have been in the very first place, then she should continue. Ligwa, first rounded up.
Ay, hindi ba
Kasi
na...
paligoy-ligo.
Hindi nag-crown si Miriam. Kala ko
Si Botswana nanalo. I believe that a Miss Universe is a symbol of a woman.
Oo, tama.
She should celebrate her femininity. Her child inside her womb. Do not disturb her duty and responsibility as Miss Universe.
Napakahusay mo. Natutuwa ako sa kabisado mo yung ano nila, na? Si Juan, yung nanalong matanda na ngayon. Ano pangalan nun?
No! I think...
Matanda na ngayon. Pia Moran. Pia Moran ba yun?
Pia Alonso Warts ba?
Ay, si Pia Wars ba? Hindi yun.
Pia Alonso Warts ba? Miss Universe 2015.
Kabisado talaga, ano? Kabisado.
If you would become Miss Universe, how do you take your time to take as Miss Universe? Being Miss Universe is both an honor and responsibility. If I become Miss Universe, I will use my voice to raise awareness for certain causes for HIV awareness that is timely and relevant to my country. And I want to show the world, the universe rather, that I am confidently beautiful with a heart. And I thank you. Miss Universe 2015 is Miss Philippines, Pia Alonso Warts ba?
Galing, ano? Yung ano?
Palakpak.
Yung, palakpakan nyo naman kasi.
Palakpak, nasasayang yung effort.
Yung si Shining, yung cloud. Shimmering, sino yun? Shimmering.
Ay, medyo matalino yun. Mahirap ikabisa.
Mahirap. Shiny.
I work in the slum of Metro Manila. And I realize and see their situation. That is poor.
Catriona Gray, ano?
Yeah, that is poor and sad. Mahirap. Mahirap siyang mag-ano kasi.
Matalino din kasi
sobra,
talaga.
mataas yung kanyang energy ng construction ng English niya.
Oo,
Hindi
kaya
katulad
pala.
nung parang nag-deliver ka lang ng isang